Good afternoon. You are welcome to our CCTV training. My name is Steve Ben. We're going to demonstrate how to set up your analog CCTV camera using your DVR and your power supply. Now, the component that is needed for this demonstration are: this is your 12-volt power supply, your mouse, your DVR, your power plug for the DVR, your video balloon, because we'll be using cassis instead of coaxial cable. This is your power plug, and this supplies power to the 12-volt power supply. And these are cassis cable. This is our analog camera dome, and this is our bullet analog camera. Okay, without wasting time, we have to get started. The first thing you do is to connect your video balloon and power plug to your cassis cable. So we'll be needing two video balloons. That is what we have today. One at the end of the camera and the other at the other end of the DVR. Okay, one thing you have to take note of is when using cassis is your color code. Okay, now we'll be using blue. We'll be using blue for positive. Okay, we'll be using blue for video. Okay, blue positive for video, then blue of white negative for video. We'll be using brown for power, so that is brown for positive power, brown of white for negative power. Now, let's get started with the connection. Okay, first of all, for the power, this brown. Each point is indicated either positive or negative on the power plug. Okay. This end of the power plug goes to the camera, and the other end of the power plug goes to your power supply. Blue of white, blue of blue for positive, remember. Blue of white for negative. Okay. So this particular video balloon does not have a screw to fasten it, but it has a button. Okay, you hold down the button now, then push in the cable. Go to the other end. This end goes to the DVR. Same color code. Blue for positive, blue of white for negative. Okay. Now, this other end of the cable, we also have to connect it to the power. And remember the color code that we used on the other side. Yes, the color code is brown. Brown for positive, brown of white for negative. Okay, this is your 12-volt power supply. That is where this end of the cable goes to. Okay, so at this stage, you plug in your cable. Okay. Okay, you power your 12-volt power supply. Now we are about to plug in our camera. Okay, this is an analog camera, bullets. Okay, you plug in the power source. You can see it's flashing lights to show that you have introduced power to it. Now, this is for your video. automatically to display on the screen. Okay. Okay. That is this. Okay. So the same way, this is a 4-port or 4-channel DVR. So if you are installing 4 camera, you do the same thing here. Okay. Now let's change the camera to zoom. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. This is all for today. Our CCTV training. Remember to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, like our page, share our videos on Facebook. Thank you very much.